something a little bit different. Oh, look at all this, this massive. You got your street light right here too. Frame out like that. Pretty cool looking. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are in Macau, Inner Harbor. Just kind of show you a little bit. So we got these kind of massive blue buildings, and all of them have kind of cages out in front, right? Kind of surrounded by tall buildings everywhere, and they all overlook this little harbor here. And I was watching some fishermen fishing for a while way down there, which I guess found out later that was illegal, and there's some other fishermen way down there, which I guess is also illegal as well. So yeah, it's kind of interesting though. Anyways, and right now we're just gonna walk along the waterfront just a little bit, the harbor front, and there's a bar down here, and I just want to see if it's open or closed or what the status is. I haven't been in this area in probably about 2 years, I guess. Okay. So actually that one over there is the one I was thinking of. It's called Chill. So we'll just walk over there with the camera and go into this little space. Make sure I don't get hit by a car. So okay, here's the place called Chill. And it looks like Chill is closed, but there's all kinds of other activity around here as well. So this one might be open later, I don't know. But yeah, it's called Chill. So yeah, later they'll bring all this stuff out and they'll set it out all the way out in the front here. And yeah, actually it's a kind of a cool space. It looks like here, over here is kind of a place to chill, and this one is kind of cool. It's like a game cafe, I don't know. Comidas, food. And then you have this little area where tons of people are doing all kinds of cool stuff, right? And all these tall apartments everywhere. And what we're gonna do is kind of walk around this block a little bit, and then you can see what's all going on. But yeah, they got tennis courts, massively big buildings everywhere, and all kinds of little shops, little takeout shops. So here they are, they're playing badminton. Pretty good too. So yeah. Oh, here's a Hongdae Korean restaurant. Hongdae has kind of a chain, so there's a couple of them around, but I haven't been to any of them in a while. It's like another, this is like a Japanese sake restaurant there. And we're just gonna kind of fade around the corner a little bit, but at least you're kind of getting a feel for another area of Macau. And yeah, Macau has a lot of different sides, so this side is definitely the more what side would you call it? Definitely a Chinese side. You wouldn't see many Portuguese things at all. So all this stuff would have been built much more recent, has a more Chinese flavor to everything. And bubble cup, durian. We're just gonna walk back to the harbor. We're just gonna see, there's a ramen shop right there, okay. Let's see, we're gonna run across in a minute, but I just wanna see what else is in front here. So there's a nice ramen that I might go back and eat at later. And we're gonna run across to the another ramen, another Japanese place. Oh, Korean place. Okay. All right. Anyways, let's just run across, and then we're gonna film back over at the waterfront again as soon as we get a chance. So we'll just see if we can sneak across. And I'm just gonna run across here, and we're gonna conclude back at the waterfront again. And I'm probably gonna get some ramen. Something a little bit different. Oh, look at all this up, this massive. Then you got your street light right here too. Frame it like that. Pretty cool looking space though, eh? And we'll end our video right at the waterfront again.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.